Enw fi di Stephen Jones a dwi'n perchenog ar cwmni o'r enw Anelu. Cwmni sy'n darparu cyrsiau awyr agorad I plant, teuluoedd ac unigolion trwy Gogledd Cymru, sy'n cynnwys ardal y Parc Cenedlaethol Eryri.
Hi there, my name's Jim from Adventurous Shoe and we're based in Conway. We do cycling and trekking trips within Snowdonia and worldwide, with our passion and the majority of our work being based here in Snowdonia.
A da ni'n falch iawn I fod yn un o'r Llysgenhadon cyntaf y prosiect yma. Elfen mawr o'n busnes ni ydy addysgu pobl amdan y mynyddoedd, yr ardaloedd, y cymunedau o fewn Gogledd Cymru a helpu nhw I fwynhau, I parchu a chyfrannu tuag at y llefydd maen nhw'n ymweld.
It's really fantastic to be part of the Ambassador Scheme, and when we heard about it, we're just really keen to be involved. I think it'll be a great source of information, being able to learn more about local history, environmental, community projects, which we can learn about and obviously share with our visitors will be fantastic. It'll help us engage more with our clients and give them a more meaningful experience during their stay in Snowdonia National Park, and also collaborate with other outdoor providers, other people within the national park, and keep a good form way of keeping up-to-date information as well.
Trwy gweminarau'r parc, rydym yn cael cyfle I fod o ran o cynlluniau'r parc I cael yn diweddaru amdan y cynllun Llysgenhadon ac I cyfrannu tuag at y proses.
What do I hope to get out of the scheme? Just learn more and more about the park and different areas of the park. And also to learn about new areas and less visitors areas. That would be fantastic. We're hoping to work on some new areas where we're trying to attract visitors to other areas of the quieter areas of the park and extend the stays from 1 to 2 days to 3 to 4. As an outdoor provider as well, it's great to feel part of a bigger picture and being able to again work together with the national park and everybody. I think with us all working together as well, it'll bring a stronger, brighter future for tourism within the national park. I think it'll be fantastic to have the online module that will enable us to sort of work in our own time and do things at our own pace.
Felly, da ni'n annog unrhyw un sydd o wir diddordeb I warchod ardal Eryri I ymuno a chyfrannu.